wonder if we could actually, many years later, have a revolution in that, because it wouldn't be the first time. I mean, as a matter of fact, the guitar on your left there, was taken out of production because it wasn't successful at first. And it was many years later that the Les Paul took off with a different
Yep.
group of people than it was initially marketed to. And so, what do you think? Are we holding out? Do you think that the MIDI pickup will have its day yet?
No, I don't think it will have
No.
its day for whatever. No, it's not going to have its day. I mean, I think it's fascinating, like where AI has taken us. We've kind of moved even beyond the idea that I would just want my guitar to, be converted to MIDI to play a piano or something, or synth, which is kind of the traditional use of that kind of stuff. Now we're into the timbre transfer space where it's like, no, I just record my guitar as it is and I press a button and it becomes a cello and it becomes a string section. It never sees MIDI, right? It's just a neural network that's actually applying the timbre of one instrument onto another. And that's kind of where we're at now. So there's even some real time stuff for that. So I think that's kind of where all this heads, bypassing kind of MIDI and spurious note detection and all the stuff that kind of comes with that.
Thank you for watching and listening. You can find more episodes wherever you listen to your podcasts, and a special thanks to those who support us on Patreon. It's your support that enables us to do this work.